Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the Aula mechanical gaming keyboard F2058. We are having this keyboard with the RGB lighting. It's very premium and it's very nice. The material is metal on this this one. On the top one is metal and the below one is plastic, and it's typing very satisfying. With an RGB multifunction controller, which we have it here. This one is, if we turn to the left, it will dimmer the RGB light, and if we on the right, it is more brighter. And this one here, we have a mode 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. It's indicated for changing the RGB lighting, as you can see. And if you click this one, it's also changed the animations of the lighting effect of the RGB. You can click one more time and see that it's now changing the animations of the effects. Specific for gaming, but you can use other for office use as well, and it's very light use and very comfortable typing. It comes with the hand rest. So this hand rest is here, as you can see. This one is with magnetic, it's metal, and here's with the magnetic. If you attach to it, it's automatically boom. So it's very strong magnetic. As you can see, this one is very strong magnetic. I didn't hold it, but this you don't need to buy for a handrest already. Yeah, save money, enjoy your life with your keyboard or the keyboard. Let's talk about the feature. Aula gaming keyboards out there with a reasonable price, with the affordable price, so you don't need to spend so much money on the keyboard but have the high price feature as well. It's come with 1 year's warranty, so you don't need to worry about breaking it on the first year of your using it. If you're in Malaysia, this one will be like 139 ringgit. So I will leave the link descriptions below, where you can buy it online or you can buy it at the store as well. It's also come with the adjustable stand here, so if you want higher typing, you can adjust, or you want just a flat, and then now it's on flat already, so it's adjustable. Okay, so guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this keyboard, I will leave a link description below where you can buy it, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and see you guys on the next video, and peace out, bye.